So your body can use saturated fats very well, and saturated fats are so good. They're good for energy. They're necessary parts of your functioning of your body. In fact, there's a five carbon saturated fat that you can only really get from butter. There's no other good sources, and it's an essential fatty acid. You need it. But you can't. It's really hard to get, and so if you're not eating butter, if you're eating margarine instead, you're not going to get it. So that's going to be potential health problems there. So saturated fat has been villainized as part of this. When they found out that cholesterol really didn't cause a problem, then they go, well, we need another villain. Let's make saturated fat the villain instead. And it was just like another marketing thing to create a villain when saturated fat is actually really good for you, really healthy. It's a good source of energy, and it's necessary for making cell membranes and all kinds of things. So you need it. It's good, and so I recommend eating saturated fat. So as far as fats go, you have like saturated fat, then you have unsaturated fats. Well, what's an unsaturated fat? Olive oil is an unsaturated fat. It's monounsaturated. So it's an omega-9 monounsaturated fat. Avocado, the oil in avocado is very similar, mostly omega-9 unsaturated fat. And those your body can make, the saturated fat and that monounsaturated fat. Now there's two different kinds that you can't make and you still need. One is omega-6, the other one is omega-3. And omega-6 is abundant everywhere. You can't avoid omega-6. There's like nothing, there's no fat that does not contain omega-6. So it's in butter, it's in coconut oil, it's in fish oil, it's in all the nuts and seeds, but it's like super high in all the vegetable oils. So that's the one, and it becomes a problem because that's where you get these oxidized LDLs that are causing heart disease. And so what we need are omega-3s that suppress that inflammation, prevent oxidation. And so omega-3 is important, omega-6. So the villain really is omega-6. That's the real villain. And because of marketing vegetable oils, they won't allow us to say that. Did I say that? I said it. Uh-oh, I'm going to be X'd now.
You're not supposed to say that.
You're not supposed to say the truth that omega-6 oils are the problem and you should avoid corn oil, soy oil,